Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing detection and delivery pathways. Place a server script in Server Script Service to run at runtime and create a remote event in replicated storage called Owner Joined Event. You'll use it to tell clients to show a GUI. Next, read game. Creator ID in game. Creator type, so you know whether to compare to a user or query a group's owner. This determines the check you run. Once done, wire player added to perform the first owner check immediately when someone joins, so you catch the owner fast. You implement the middle flow. The server checks each joining player's user ID versus the creator ID or queries the group owner if creator type is group. When it finds the owner, fire owner joined event to all clients. On the client, run a local script that listens for owner joined event, instantiates a screen GUI with a text label and optional sound, then animate with tween service for a smooth entrance. Make sure the GUI is transient and cleaned up after the animation so you avoid memory leaks. This separation keeps server logic authoritative and client's visual. You finalize by testing. Publish and run play solo and start server to simulate other servers. If you need the notification across all active servers, integrate messaging service to broadcast owner events to every server and then fire the remote event locally. Make sure any permissions for HTTP or APIs are enabled in settings. If something goes wrong, check creator type. Group games require querying the group owner instead of matching creator ID to a player. And add logging so you can pinpoint failed checks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.